In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get league medals here in Clash of Clans. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But to earn league medals here in Clash of Clans, you are going to need to participate in the Clan War League, which takes place once every single month, starting on the first day of the month, right after the clan game ends. Your medal rewards are going to depend on your league that your clan is in and how well your clan performs. The better your clan does, the more medals that everyone is going to get, and then in higher leagues, you can actually earn up to 500 medals for a first place finish. That's why it's really important to make sure that you actually do join the Clan War League, you get selected for the War roster, and you do your very best in battles. League medals can be spent in the shop to buy resources, magic items like hammers, and even exclusive decorations, and these medals are very useful, so don't miss your chance to earn them. I hope this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Clash of Clans guides, and like the video if this one did directly help you. It really does help out the channel, and we would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.